हेलो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके लिए लाया हूँ यूनिवर्सल ह्यूमन वैल्यूज़ एंड एथिक्स का क्वेश्चन पेपर, जो कि बीटेक का क्वेश्चन पेपर है सेमेस्टर 3 का, और जो कि AKTU द्वारा कंडक्टेड कराया गया था। और इसकी पेपर आईडी है 311417। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं सेक्शन ए से। सेक्शन ए में आपको 7 क्वेश्चन गिवन है और एक क्वेश्चन की वेटेज 14 नंबर है, और आपको 7 के 7 करने हैं। Question number 1. List the 4 dimensions of a human being. How are they related? Question number B. Distinguish between working for excellence and working for competition as it applies to a student of a professional course. Question number 3. List the 4 disorders. List the 4 orders of nature. Question number 4. Distinguish between utility value and artistic value, giving examples. Question number 5. Define prosperity and give one example to illustrate. Question number 6. What do you mean by preconditioning? Give one example. Question number 7. Distinguish between a conscientious unit and a material unit. Question number 2. इसमें आपको 5 क्वेश्चन गिवन है और आपको 5 में 3 क्वेश्चन करने हैं, और उसकी वेटेज, एक क्वेश्चन की वेटेज 7 नंबर है। ठीक है। Question number 1. List the 3 sources of imagination in a self and illustrate with example. With a diagram, explain the harmony in the self. Question number 2. Explain the process of self-exploration with the help of diagram and example. Question number 3. Distinguish between glory, gratitude, reverence, and love. Give example to illustrate. Question number 4. Explain the natural characteristics and innateness of all the 4 orders with example. Question number 5. Explain the complete meaning of ethical human conduct as discussed in the course. Question number 3. इसके बाद जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं, आपको सब में 2 क्वेश्चन गिवन होंगे, आपको 2 में से 1 क्वेश्चन करना है, और एक क्वेश्चन की वेटेज 7 नंबर है। ठीक है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, पार्ट ए. Discuss the need, basic guidelines, content and process of value education. Part B. Define value. List the universal value at all the 4 levels of living as discussed in the course. Question number 4. Attempt any one of the following. Part A. Explain the meaning of self-regulation and describe the programs in living based on self-regulation. Part B. Distinguish between needs of self and body with examples. Question number 5. Part A. Explain the difference between intention and competition with 2 examples. Part B. Explain the various type of wrong evaluation in relationship with example. Question number 6. Part A. Discuss the dimension of production and work in the society in keeping with the harmony in the nature. Part B. Draw the complete chart of the existence showing coexistence in the existence and the 4 orders of the nature. Question number 7. Part A. Discuss some of the prevailing approaches toward promotion of professional ethics and their inadequacy. What are the salient features characterizing professional ethics? Discuss with few examples. तो ये आपका क्वेश्चन पेपर था यूनिवर्सल ह्यूमन वैल्यू एंड एथिक्स का बीटेक का। थैंक यू।